Hi guys, and welcome back on my channel. This episode will be a different story, not about repairing cars and motorcycles, but I want to show you my upgraded shop. I invested in solar energy. Right now I want to show you the process of installing it, and I will tell something about it is worth it or not. Forgive me because I record this material in a few different times, so I have different clothes and different haircut, but the story is on the same subject. And now I will show you the delivery guy. It was very funny the way how he unloaded the solar panels and turned back to the car. So look now. That's good, mate. It's a little bit dark here. Time to be independent. Tomorrow the company will be installing the solar panel on this roof. Here is the and my crazy dog. Come on. So in this box there are 20 solar panels, 400 watts each. And for those who doesn't know, I will try to explain as best as I can. The power of the solar plant is 7,600 kilowatt hours. So the installation after 1 year should produce 7,600 kilowatt hours. What does it mean? What is a kilowatt hour? Kilowatt hour, 1 kilowatt hour is, you will see on the example right now. You see, this is the power meter. I will turn this on. Okay. And this device uses 750 watt. So after 1 hour of working, it uses 0.7 kilowatt hour. So now I hope you know what is the kilowatt hour of usage. So if this device will be using, for example, 1000 watts and it will be working in 1 hour, this will use 1 kilowatt hour. That should be enough to give the power to my workshop and home. Hi guys, yesterday started raining and it rained all night and almost all morning. Now the weather is basically good. The company should arrive today. Look, the water came to my workshop because the gate was open. I had problems with closing the gate because the power was shut down. So I didn't expect such a rain. A little bit my fault, but overall it is not too bad here. So, as you can see, here are those solar panels. Here are 19 pieces, and I will show you now the construction that the worker do on the roof. And today they will be screwing those panels to the construction, and they will be connecting on all wires and everything. And I will show you again the heart of the system, the control panel. The control panel is still, work in progress because they didn't finish it. And here is the heart of the entire system.
And this device converts DC current to AC current. And here is the fuse boxes. So the owner of the company work here and do his magic, you know, to connect it, to connect everything. And I think that today they should finish the job and they should start the entire system. So this is the nightmare project, as you can see. The worst motorcycle in my life. Maybe not in my life, but on the pictures it looked very looked better, you know. And now it is terrifying. I don't know if it will be running again. But you will see this on my next series with the rebuilding of this bike. I will do my best to put this motorcycle on the road again. Here is the Yamaha. I will finish it. So the next episode with Yamaha coming soon. I will show you the heat pump. I want to cut the electrical bills almost to zero, you know, and that's why I also invest to new heat source, because if I have solar energy, and this is the heat pump, and it uses electrical energy to produce heat. So
you know, at this moment, at this point of time, the prices of the, you know, energy, fuel, electrical energy, gas are crazy right now, and I think investing in solar energy is a good thing. It is worth. Is this investment worth or not? We will see in the future, but I think it is a good option, and on the papers everything look acceptable.
the cost of the, you know, electrical bills and heat bills are minimum at this moment for me. I don't know if I will pay something or not. That depends. After 1 year there will be some kind of balancing, you know, and I will be knowing that I have produced more energy or less. Okay, so this is the heat pump. This is the 10 kilowatt model, but it have 3 kilowatt device in it to produce more energy. So the power, combined power, is 13 kilowatts in this device. And now I will show you the construction. I will try to record also some time lapse. I don't like going to the roofs. And you see, this is the construction. Beautiful weather. So on this construction there will be the solar panels, 90 solar panels, and hope this will be enough for workshop and home.
it's a little bit windy right now. Hope the audio will be okay. So as you can see, guys, I am sitting on the roof right now. The solar panels behind me are connected to the system. They are working fine, I think, and start producing the energy. This is not all, because in the future I want to add more solar panels and connect the entire system to the house. I hope it will be enough to provide energy for the entire workshop, and in the future I want to install more solar panels on this side of the roof, and I want to connect the house, you know.